Welcome to Madhya Pradesh, the heart of spiritual India, the land blessed by the river Narmada, the mere sight of which is believed to wash away all sins. We commence our spiritual journey at Amarkantak, the very source of this divine virgin river, seeking the blessings of Narmada Mata in the Narmadeshwar temple. About 250 kilometers from Amarkantak, from atop the lofty Trikuta hill in the holy town of Maihar, the Sharda Mata temple beckons you. A prominent Shakti Peeth, Maihar is believed to be the site where the necklace of Sati Mata had fallen. These colorful threads, adorning the trees around, bear witness to the faith of generations of devotees who climb more than 1,000 steps for a glimpse of the goddess. Standing at Ramghat, on the banks of the holy river Mandakini, you begin to feel the spiritual significance of the ancient town of Chitrakoot. Resonating with holy chants and filled with the fragrance of incense, Ramghat comes alive with thousands of devotees congregating for the evening Maha-Arti. A few kilometers from Chitrakoot, the fascinating twin caves of the Gupt Godavari greet you, a stream of knee-deep water flowing through one and the other believed to be the site where Lord Rama had dwelt. A 300-step climb up a steep hillock will bring you to Hanumandhara, a shrine dedicated to Lord Hanuman. Nestled in the tranquil, dense foliage of the Vindhyas is the ancient Sati Anusuya temple, an ideal spot for ascetics and mystics to meditate. Almost next door is the more recent Paramhansa Ashram. As dawn breaks, the historic city of magnificent temples and palaces, Orchha, wakes up to greet you. Set amidst these majestic forts and palaces, built by the Bundela rulers, is the imposing Ram Raja temple. Significantly, this is the only temple in India where Lord Rama is worshipped not as a god, but as a king. Further up, exhibiting a remarkable combination of temple and fort architecture, is the Lakshmi Narayan temple. The serenity encompasses you, the silence enchants you. Behold, the magic of Sanchi, one of the oldest Buddhist shrines in the world. These monuments transport you to an era long gone by, yet frozen in time. Lose yourself in the tranquility of Sanchi, and you will find your inner self, one with the enlightened soul. Bhopal, the city of lakes and Nawab Begums, the capital of Madhya Pradesh, a rare fusion of a rich heritage and modern planning. The city is home to one of the largest mosques in Asia, the Tajul Masajid, built by Sultan Shah Jahan, the Begum of Bhopal. "28 kilometers from Bhopal, you find the incomplete yet exquisite Bhojeshwar temple of Lord Shiva, housing the largest Shivling in India. Known as the Somnath of the East, the temple was built in the 11th century by Raja Bhoj. At the confluence of the rivers Narmada and Kaveri, on the island of Mandhatpuri, is Omkareshwar, home to one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva. The Lord is worshipped as the supreme creator in the Omkareshwar temple. Across the river Narmada is the ancient Mamaleshwar temple. The banks of the holy Narmada are witness to glorious spiritual traditions handed down through the generations. About 60 kilometers from Omkareshwar, on the northern banks of river Narmada, is the sacred town of Maheshwar. The town has a number of shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva. The most significant among them is the Ahilyeshwar temple. The temple was built in the late 18th century by the Queen of Indore, Rani Ahilyabai Holkar. The intricate carvings on the pillars speak volumes for the Queen's discerning eye for detail and perfection. If ever the magnitude of devotion could be represented in physical form, it has to be through this incredible 84-foot tall statue of Tirthankar Adinath in Bavan Gaja. Bavan Gaja is a prominent Jain pilgrim center. Every year, millions of devotees climb more than 800 steps to reach one of the highest points of the Satpuras, where the ancient Chulgiri temple is situated. The silence and serenity of the temple set the ambience for deep, uninterrupted meditation. Our spiritual journey culminates in the sacred town of Ujjain, home to several enchanting temples. In the Kal Bhairav temple, the deity is worshipped with offerings of liquor. For centuries, this sacred site has attracted pilgrims who seek to fulfill their wishes by worshipping this ancient banyan tree called the Siddhvat. The tree is believed to be the provider of the four Siddhis: Sadgati, Sampatti, Santati, and Sanmati. The marvelous Harsiddhi temple is believed to be the site where the elbow of Sati Mata had fallen, and hence is revered as a Shakti Peeth. On the banks of the holy river Shipra, Lord Shiva reigns supreme as the presiding deity of time in the Mahakaleshwar temple. At dawn, one prepares for a truly divine spectacle, the Mahakal Bhasmarti. The Swayambhu Jyotirling of Lord Shiva is bathed in the Panchamrit. Even as you lose yourself in the heady chants, faith assumes a divine face, and at once you feel yourself in the presence of the Almighty Lord. The transformation is breathtaking. Blessed are the souls who have the fortune of witnessing the Bhasmarti on the auspicious occasion of Holi, for the Lord Himself celebrates the festival of colors with them. The abode of gods beckons you. The confluence of several faiths summons you. Come, bask in the spiritual glory of Madhya Pradesh, the heart of incredible India.